And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the CRKT Offbeat 2, designed by Pat Crawford. We'll go over the specs of the knife. This knife is 7.5 inches overall. The blade length is 3.25. It's HCR13 MOV steel. It's drop point. Has a hollow grind. A satin finish. It has a plain edge. The handle material is GRN, or very similar to a G10, but not as grippy. Of course, it's black. Weighs 3 ounces. Has a tip up. That's where I was looking for. Carry pocket clip. It is a lockback, is what this is considered. We'll show you how that works. Try to bring it to a half position there before the lockup. As you can see, it has 2 lock studs or thumb studs on each side. They're pulled back, allowing the blade to pivot closed and snap close. You can see here that they meet up perfectly to hold them closed. Bring it to the open position again, and you'll watch how it has a piece here for it to snap into. To release, you'll just press it up and push it forward. So we'll show you how this blade cuts. This knife is extremely sharp. When I mean extremely, I mean extremely. That's nice. I wasn't digging this knife here at the beginning, but I do like how sharp it is. Wow, that is extremely sharp. Cut some cardboard, and wow, this is nice. We'll bring out some burlap and roll that up and see if see how well it does there. Whoops. Cuts right through. So there's several different variations of this knife. We have an all metal or all brushed stainless version that's about $28, I think, maybe $29. In this version, with the drop point blade, I believe it's somewhere around mid-30s. It's model CR7760, if you're curious. I do like the thumb studs on this, so you could obviously flip it open. So, this is the CRKT Offbeat 2. If you're watching on Instagram or IGTV, make sure you hit the like button and follow at Atlantic Knife. We do tons of knife reviews, normally 10 to 12 a week. Short little 5-minute reviews. Post hundreds of pictures of knives and things going on in the knife industry. We have contests weekly. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. We have contests there too. We have one going on right now for our weekly show that name our show. Giving away a Spyderco Manix 2. And with that, this is the CRKT Offbeat 2, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.